categories, trabaho lang. Relax ka lang. Arte lang. Trabaho lang. Current secretaries ng Philippine Cabinet Departments. Acceptable ang last names. Good luck! 20 seconds starts now. I hope nanonood kayo ng news. City, go.
Reyes.
Reyes, Angelo Reyes of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. You are correct. Herbie.
Defensor.
Naku, hindi. Take a step back. Volts.
De Jesus. Education.
Hindi. Iba na eh. Chesley Lapus. You're wrong. City gets it. Other possible answers. Alabastro, Andaya, Brion, Cabral, Cruz, Duque, Durano, Ebdane, Fabila, Gonzales, Lapus, Lotilia, Mendoza, Pangandaman, Panganiban, Puno, Romulo, and Teves. 10,000 for you, 10,000 for you. Ang hirap na pinagdaanan nyo. Ay, nako. Hindi pa kayo nakabigay ng kahit isang matama. 100,000 for you, City! So thank you, Angelo Reyes. Ooh, you got lucky.
I got lucky again.
Okay. Your million peso jackpot sa pagbabalik ng